I did the unthinkable. I bought a Galaxy Z Fold 5. Catch a beer. You heard me right. I did the unthinkable and I bought a Galaxy Z Fold 5. I am a Pixel user. I've always been a Pixel user. That's been my main device ever since the Galaxy Nexus. Yep, that's been a very long time. And it's now time to switch over to the Galaxy Z Fold. Did I make a mistake? I don't know. You tell me down in the comment section below if I made a mistake. But I am rocking the Pixel Fold and I absolutely love this device. So can the Galaxy Z Fold 5 change my mind about the Pixel Fold? I don't know. Let's find out. Before we do that, we have to unbox the device. Bam! Look, Galaxy Z Fold 5. This is a special edition now. So you have the blue one and the gray, and then you have the screen there. I like how they did this. Very typical Samsung box, I guess. A little bit about myself. I did have the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and I did not like it. I returned it, but let's see if this one right here is going to change my perspective of the Samsung foldables. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pull that little tab here. Pull the next tab. And one thing I did notice is they did have great trade-in deals. If you didn't take advantage of them, there's still, I think at the time of recording of this video, there's like a day or two left. I encourage you to take advantage of those trade-in deals because they're absolutely fantastic. But inside the box, basically, we're gonna get your charging cable and SIM injection tool. And that's about it. How sad. How sad. You paid $1,800 for a foldable device and no charging brick. What a shame. What a shame. But I did not pay $1,800 because I had an excellent trading deal. Like I just said, 6 something I think I ended up paying, which is absolutely fantastic. But what else is in the box? Nothing else is in the box but the device itself. So let's take a quick look at this bad boy right here. Ooh. And look at this. Look at this. I absolutely love this brush finish here. I wish the Google Pixel Fold would have done that. This absolutely looks fantastic. This is their gray color, I believe. Let's go ahead and remove this. Right off the back, a lot slimmer, a lot lighter than my Pixel Fold, but not by much. Not by much. You can definitely tell, but it's not lighter by that much. But this absolutely looks fantastic. Boom, look at that. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy up. Pretty sure you've seen this device before because it has not changed since it was launched 5 years ago. Has not changed at all. There we go. There we go. Look at that. So let me go ahead and give you a quick walkthrough. So everything's the same. You do have your speaker, charging port, mic there on the bottom, and then you have your speaker, 3 mics there on top. On the side, you do have this nice, I love this brush matted feel in here. I don't like shiny bezels at all. Samsung, the new hinge here, a lot thinner than before. This frosted back, this almost looks white to me, but they say is gray with this nice gray brush finish accent. Absolutely looks fantastic. Almost makes me not want to rock a case with this device here, but it absolutely looks fantastic. You have the outer display. Now, as you can see, the difference here between the Galaxy Z Fold and the Pixel Fold, obviously the display and form factor of the devices, but I don't know. I didn't like the form factor of this device when I first bought the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Is this going to change my mind? I don't know. So let me go ahead and set this up real quick and come back and I'll give you my first initial impressions of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. All right, we're back with setting up the device. Now, right out the back, my first initial impressions, I like the hardware. I absolutely love the matted borders or edges or matted frame, this brush metal finish. I love the accent. I like the frosted back. Absolutely love that. No questions about that. What I do gotta get used to is this cover display. The cover display, in my opinion, still hasn't wowed me. It just forces you to use the inner display. And when I do open the inner display, one thing that, am I on my phone? Where am I? Oh, I'm on the phone. One thing that I don't like about the inner display is that it's not a very tablet-like feel. This is what this fold device is meant to do, is, you know, phone on the outside, open the bigger display, you get a tablet-like experience. This to me just seems like a stretched out phone layout. Let me explain. You see this when I open the phone right there? When I open my Pixel Fold, this looks more like a tablet layout than this does. Now, can you rotate it? Pretty sure you can rotate it. It doesn't rotate. I don't know why. What's going on here? Auto rotate. See, I can't even rotate it. So I don't know what's going on, but that is my first initial impressions. This thing's still downloading and updating apps here. Very snappy. It did get warm. Obviously, it's gonna get warm because it's doing a lot at the same time. It's downloading, setting up, and all that stuff. But my initial impression, like I said, love the hardware, love the matted brush metal finish on the trim, which is absolutely fantastic. Love the accent. One thing I do have to, like I said, is get used to this candy-bar display when I'm used to this bad boy right here. Now, is it gonna wow me? Is it gonna make me switch over and dump my Pixel and get this bad boy right here? I don't know. We'll find out. I'm gonna put a SIM card in this bad boy, use it, and then go from there. But let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. Did you guys pick up a Galaxy Z Fold 5? Did I make a good decision, or did I make a bad decision? So I just got the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and saved some money. But I did save some money because I did trade in a Galaxy S22 Ultra, got like $1,000 off, paid about $600 with about like just shy of 700 bucks. It's like 680 bucks or something, or 666 bucks or something like that. Because I did use the link in the description of the video, I saved an extra 50 bucks on top of the additional savings. So if you're thinking about picking one of these up, I think you got about a day or so, or less than a day. Go ahead and hit that link and save yourself a bunch of money. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.